Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when I first realized that I have a gluten intolerance, one of the things that made me so sad was the thought of giving up ramen. But these King Soba brown rice ramen noodles has completely changed that for me. These ramen noodles have that great taste and texture of traditional ramen noodles that I have grown up loving. My husband, who tends to be really skeptical about gluten-free things, also totally loves them. Also, just like any other ramen, they cook incredibly fast. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes for them to be ready. I have to say that I have tried other gluten-free ramen brands, but this King Soba brand knocks it out of the park. I have used them in a variety of recipes, and every time they have turned out great. For a really quick weeknight dinner that my husband and I both totally love, I like to use them in my ginger vegetable noodle stir fry. Either if you are trying to completely eliminate gluten from your diet or just reduce it, take it from me, you do not have to give up your beloved ramen with this King Soba brown rice ramen noodles. And that's my point of view.